Oh, whoa. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. As you just saw, I made a new intro. Tell me what you guys think of it. I don't know, I figured I'd change it up a little bit and I tried to make that one. This is weird. I have the gimbal on because I'm gonna get shots of the car really quick for the end of the video. But yeah, this thing weighs like half 1,000 pounds, or it doesn't, but it feels like it does. But yeah, the car, it's coming along. This week we have pretty much fully rebuilt the quarter panel in the back. I'll show you guys the finished product of that. So, yeah, I've had to go over it with body filler. We made the body lines and all that. Still a little bit that I have to tweak to it, but otherwise it's coming along really nicely. Present Coffee August is in, I think, 18 days. So that means there's 18 days until this car will drive on the road. So that's kind of crazy. It might not be completely done when we drive it, but it will definitely be driving. So yeah, super exciting. It's really close. And also we are really close to 600 subscribers. I don't know if we hit it yet when I upload this video, but we are very close. Right now we're at like 597, so that is freaking awesome. We're getting to 1,000. We're like more than halfway there. It's freaking crazy. Thank you guys all so much for the support. And with that said, let's get right into this video. I really hope you enjoy. Oh, whoa, that's not right.
What?
Oh, there we go. Battery is still charged, and the headlights work again. Finally got those eyes flipping up and down like they used to. Alright guys, I just got some new trim that goes around the fender flares. I'll leave the link to the website in the description if you guys want to get some of this stuff, because it's still out there, you can still get it. We're going to throw it around the two front fenders and then probably install them. Got some new bulbs for this fog light because it wasn't working before. Hopefully it should now. I'm going to throw it back in and we'll see. Here's the world's fastest hazard light, guys, because we don't have the taillights in, so all the current's going to the front. So these are like the fastest hazard lights. It's a strobe lights, that's what these are. Some strobe hazard lights. There we go. Ta-da! That one's still not working. Oh! That's funny. How, with just putting one bulb in it, slowed it down that much.
Yeah, because there's more resistant, or there's more,
it's crazy.
That's how you know you go a bulb out.
Cool, all the lights in the front work. What broke?
One of the studs, just like on the other side.
It's not really surprised. Bleeding the brakes, guys. Oh my god.
Alright, let it out. Christ.
Good god.
That's how the jack is.
It's like all or nothing.
It's hard to like.
Holy crap. I did not. This car is way lower than I remembered it. Well, I guess that's because it's at an angle a little bit, but.
Oh, yeah.
At the same time, though, it's been on jacks for so long that I have completely forgotten how low this car is. Oh, that looks so cool with the black wheels. That looks good.
Oh, yeah, it does.
Alright guys, so what I have to do right now is fill in a whole bunch of area over here on the top of the new quarter panel, so it's all flush with the body. And I gotta fill all that in. I might have to add a little bit in here, so I'm gonna have to use all the body filler over here. Probably gonna cover a few more areas up on the deck lid, just so I can make sure everything is perfectly flat. So I'm gonna go mix up a bunch of body filler really quick, throw it over the top, and I'll probably have to do a few coats, but we'll start out with this for now. We got the first coat of body filler on here. It's looking pretty good. I'm gonna have to sand over this and then add more on top of it, but I've got the body lines going down here. They're all started, so hopefully this should turn out pretty good. I'm gonna sand this down really quick and then I'll get back to you guys once I'm done. Hopefully this should come out okay, and then we'll throw another coat of body filler on. I sanded down the first area quite a bit, and now I'm going to mix up some more filler so I can fill in all the indents on this right here, so I can go over that in the second coat. Here is the rear quarter. We have this pretty much done. I have to tweak it up a little bit, but sanded, it's all good. We've got the lip that the other side has, and then I still have to tweak it up a couple parts, but it is there. It's looking really good. Test fitting the rear bumper. Alright everyone, that'll do it for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed. Car's coming along really quick. Next week we're probably going to throw the gas tank in and a lot of the other back components because the quarter panels will be finished. I don't know exactly when we're going to take this thing to go get painted. I'm hoping soon, but I honestly do not know. But yeah, it's coming along. Like I said earlier, it'll be on the road in 18 days. So that's a lot to think about. That's coming up really quick, and that video is going to be awesome because there's going to be a lot happening that day with this car and all that. Stick around for that and stay tuned, and there's going to be a lot of fun stuff that I'm going to do with this car after we finish it, and I can't wait. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. To support the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all so much. I appreciate all of your support. I'll see you guys next week. I hope you all have a great week. Bye guys.